So I'm going to be using this dapping dish, and I actually purchased that from TJ Maxx. And I'm also going to be using some alcohol as my slip solution. So for my polygel today, I'm going to be using Light Apricot by Model Ones. This is my absolute favorite. I love this polygel color because it's perfect for my skin tone. It's the perfect nude. So if you're around my range, I definitely recommend giving this polygel a try. This is in my Amazon storefront, some of my Amazon favorites. If you guys are interested in seeing some of my favorite products for nails, definitely check out my Amazon storefront. That's linked down below. But all I'm doing is I'm going in, attaching them to my nails, and then cleaning up around the cuticle areas. I didn't put on my UV LED protection gloves, so I recommend doing that. But I also did want to point out how I'm doing multiple nails at one time. So as you can see, I'm putting on a few different nails, and then I'm putting my hand in that UV LED lamp. And this is just going to help eliminate the time that your hand is in that lamp. I say it in every video, if you want to prevent, premature aging and wrinkling, I definitely recommend getting some UV protection gloves and applying sunscreen on your hands. Because if you do your nails constantly, constantly like me, I do them probably like every week, sometimes twice a week. My hand is always in and out of that lamp. Then if you want to prevent that, you definitely want to invest in some preventatives. I do sell some fingerless gloves. I'm out of stock right now. I know I say it in every video. It'll be back in stock hopefully soon. God knows at this point. But I do put them on in the next clip because I remembered. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and applying my polygel. So here are the final products. Well, not the final, but here's the draft. And as you can see, I did put on my UV LED fingerless gloves. I'm going in now with some 80/80 grit nail files. Purchased these from Amazon as well. I will never go back to 100/180. Never. It will always be 80/80 for me because the way these make my nails, the perfection. When you use soft gel full nail covers, pre-shaped and everything, they're perfect already. So this just adds that extra oomph, and if you get some polygel around the corners, that'll help you out. So with these nails, I use my e-drill as well because I just wanted them to be, perfect. I'm going in with this bit, and I'm going around my base, and I learned this new technique, and they kind of do it by like zones. It's really hard for me to file on camera, use my e-file on camera because I'm trying to focus it and stay in frame. So if it looks a little janky, that's why. But I'm just filing on top and underneath of my nails. That's how I get the underneath of my nails so perfect when they're longer nails. I also flip them around. But here are all the bits I use. I couldn't record me using all of them because, like I said, it's just harder for me. But we're going to go ahead and jump right into our nail design. So, all the products, let's get into it. I'm using the Beetles polish. I always use Beetles polish because I love their polish. And I'm also going to be using this palette that I got from Shein. And this is also a Beetles pencil nail art brush. And I'm doing this really cute, really simple design. I've had these nails on now for about 2 weeks, and I get so many compliments. People are like, oh my gosh, your nails are so cute. I love this nail design. It's time for me to switch it up. So, it's time for me to switch it up, but it's super cute and it's super easy. So, as you can see, all I'm doing is just, applying lines. I'm using another brush here, as you can see, to clean them up to make them perfect. But yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch me apply my designs, and I will be back. So here's what they're looking like. I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Now for my top coat, I'm going to use Model 1's top coat. This is one of my favorite top coats for sure because of the thickness, and I love the brush. I also do have another favorite, but I'm going to go in with this one for this video. So I'm just going to top off my nails and cure. So the last and final step, my absolute favorite, is using cuticle oil. I do sell this in my Etsy shop, so if you are interested, the link is down below. And for today, I used Scent Strawberry. But here are the final results. Super cute. This is the perfect length for me. I absolutely love these nails. They're just stunning. Oh my gosh, I love them. It's time for me to switch it up, but I really want to do them again. I think this is one of my favorites. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope your New Year's were good. Let me know what your New Year's resolutions were. Mine includes you guys for sure. You're like #1. I just want to pay more attention to my channel, grow it even bigger and bigger, and step into some new realms in the nail world. But let me know your New Year's resolutions. I hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's and a safe New Year's Eve, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!